Good morning, guys. This is Phil with XLR8 Roofing. We're getting finished up with our drying at a house over here in the Winter Park area. They had some severe hail over in this side of town a couple months ago, and we're getting everything wrapped up here. We're waiting on our drying inspector to show up, but I just wanted to show you a couple things that we do here. And let me just flip this camera back around. All right, so we have our double lapped synthetic underlayment already down, and as you can see, we've already installed our drip edge. Per code, has to be nailed down every 4 inches along the side, so we got all that done. The double overlap is a new code requirement this year, so as you can see, we have a much shorter distance between each one of the nail lines moving forward into 2021. So we've got all this side all dried in. A couple things that we do, I mean, I'm not sure if everybody does this, but this is something that we do at XLR8 to kind of protect homeowners' homes. Along all of the flashing kits and everything, we install a peel and stick underlayment in these transitions here. We're actually building a cricket on the top, a water diverter, to direct water around the chimney. As you can see, sometimes these chimneys don't have a cricket on them, and then next thing you know, we get some water intrusion and some rot. So we had a lot of rain last night, so these guys put roofing cement all the way around all these penetrations. Another thing that we do is we always put peel and stick underlayment underneath the pipe penetrations, and as you can see right here, they really put a lot of roofing cement around there because we had so much rain last night. They're trying to protect the home so that it doesn't leak in there while we don't have shingles on the roof. So we got the shingles all loaded. The guys are wrapping up their drying, just waiting on their inspector. Here's another one of the pipe penetrations. As you can see, a lot of roofing cement around there, just so when we got that heavy rain yesterday, we had everything tarp, but the #1 priority is to protect the homeowner's home while we're doing the installation. So once again, this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing. If you have any questions, give our office a call. We'd be happy to answer them for you. If you need a roof inspection, please give us a call as well. My name's Phil. I'm one of the project managers. Is there anything we can do for you? Just let us know. Thanks.